welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and this week I have decided to post one braid tutorial or technique per day. So if you like this video and these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I should note that these braids are just for technique purposes. I think that you really need to understand the hand movements and how to braid before you can kind of learn how to do it on yourself. So if you'd like to see how I'd actually style each one of these braids, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. This next braid that we're going to do is a French fishtail braid, and I think it would also be considered a Dutch braid because it will stick out from the head like a Dutch braid does. So you're going to take a section. Since this is French, you can't take all of the hair at once. You're going to take a section and divide it into two pieces like this. And so we'll start this just like a French braid by taking a piece, but this time instead of going over like we did before, we're going to go under. So take a piece under to this side, and then same thing over here. Take a little piece and put it on that side. Oops, sorry. That side. Now we're going to take a little piece again on the right side and put it under to the left side, but before we start on the other side now, we're going to grab a little section of hair and also add it underneath. So now we're on the left side. I'm going to take a little piece, put it under to the right side, and take another little section that's down and also put it under to join the right side. We're just going to keep doing that. So right piece under, grab some hair to put under, left side under, grab some hair to put under, and this is the completed French Dutch fishtail.